I'm making a YouTube video, my mom, and we're doing this in the kitchen, and this is part 2 of Pokemon card opening. And I don't know what she's doing, and all I know it's probably pie. And I do not like pie. First pack. Hold up. I'm gonna do this sitting down. Oh, I know we got Saddle. We got Pokemon Center Lady. You should probably know that. Energy thingy. That looks cool. 100 damage. I'm gonna put that over there. Sobble. Put that right there. Pincurchin thingy. Blimpbug. Rhyhorn. Minchino. We got Grookey. And then we got this guy. And the Psychic Energy, which we don't need. I'm gonna separate these right now. Put that over there. First pack done.